Hi, Gareth and Janet here.
Hello.
And we're in Tromso, Norway today. And this is the Tromso Botanical Garden. And we're actually all the way up to the top of it, I think. Although it may go up into the forest there. I think I read that it's the furthest north of any botanical garden. You know? Don't quote me though, because I'm not sure that's correct. But we're going to walk down through it. We've got these stone stairs all through the place. So I've got to navigate them. Hey, a bridge. And it's not too far. Oh, a map. Okay, so I'm thinking the red dot is us, and that goes up into the forest. So we're just gonna meander back down. And I don't want to stay on this wide pathway. I like these stone stairs. As long as they don't turn that sprinkler on. Okay, now I'm not walking across the rocks. This is an actual path they've got here, a stairway. They're everywhere. These people are singing. Look for our other video about Tromso and you'll hear a little bit of it. Anyway, I think we're going to go off this way. Notice there's little signs on everything. Everything is named, at least once. I think they got all dressed up for a photo shoot today. So they were right in there singing a cappella, of course, harmonizing. There's the ship. Tell you what I'm going to do. When we get to some flowers, I'm going to give you some close-ups. I think right around here there's a lot of flowers. Well, now I can't find where I was. These little ponds, these little rocks. Didn't we come from over there?
I don't think so.
Pretty lush gardens. I just wonder what this looks like in winter, covered with snow. But I guess the plants come back year after year. There's a swamp and a waterfall, and we have to cross the water here. And here's some flowers. Let's go through them. See the bumblebees? Swings, tire swings. It's like, it's places full of bumblebees, not regular bees. Now a bumblebee is just a big bee, right? I mean, that's what we call bumblebees where I come from. Some of these pine trees are not doing too well. here's where the flowers are, right? Look at this. I'm going to get you close up. Remember to move your device around. See the bumblebee? Look at this stuff. Oh, this is where the manure smell was. This is fresh manure over here. If you know what I mean when I say manure. It just goes on and on, although that's the end of it, those buildings. So from Tromso Botanical Garden in Tromso, Norway, off the Sky Princess, this is Garrett.
And Janet, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.